Today we're going to make a stone fire pit. I bought some 2-inch thick slabs of bluestone from my local stone yard. These slabs are meant to be used as stair treads for landscaping, and they're 1 foot by 4 foot. And all I'm going to do is make 30-degree cuts using a circular saw. I marked the angles on the stone with a Sharpie, and then I put a diamond blade onto my circular saw. I'll put a link to the tools that I used in the description box below. Now, cutting through thick slabs of stone like this produces a lot of dust and noise, so I made sure to wear both hearing protection and dust protection before cutting. I followed along the Sharpie lines that I drew, and I just went nice and slow through the stone. With each 4-foot slab of stone, I was able to get 2 pieces for the fire pit. I used the first piece that I cut to mark the lines for the next pieces. I put a masonry grinding wheel on my angle grinder and then ground down the edges of the cut stone so that they were nicely rounded over. I used a couple bags of Quikrete all-purpose gravel to make the foundation and used a rake just to spread it out evenly. Now I arranged the pieces that I cut into a hexagon. But if you wanted to do a variation of this design, you could cut longer pieces and make sort of a Celtic knot looking thing by cutting little mini triangles out of the end pieces to fit in between the overlapping pieces of stone. This is a surprisingly easy way to make a fire pit. And one of the things that I really like about it is that it's not difficult to move, so it's a great project for people that might be renting. For additional information, check out the link in the description box, and if you want to see what we're working on next, be sure to follow us on Instagram. Check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks! Bye!